Welcome to Legally Abroad, an attorney's blueprint for moving overseas. I'm not just some random person on the internet who talks about moving abroad. I've actually lived it. Over the past 2 decades, I've relocated internationally multiple times, long before the internet made finding answers easily. 20 years ago, I moved from the US to Italy at a time where resources were scarce and guidance was almost non existent because the internet was not as robust as it is today. In the 2020s, I relocated from the US to Colombia, where I successfully established a medical tourism business for Americans, especially, and learned the ins and outs of living and working in Colombia. Most recently, I returned from the US to Italy, navigating not only the visa process, which you know is no small feat for Italy, but overcoming endless red tape and even purchasing a villa. Through all of it, from learning a new language to finding employment, I've lived the challenges you're facing. So I know firsthand how overwhelming it is to wade through scattered, outdated, or even contradictory advice online, and how costly mistakes can be when you don't know the rules. And here is what I've learned and realized. When you try to piece it all together on your own, you end up jumping from one expert to another. One place might tell you about visas, but not about taxes. Another might mention healthcare, but not how to actually set up life abroad. There was never a single place where I could find all the answers that was comprehensive and in depth for moving abroad, from residency guidelines to tax obligations, healthcare, and community. I needed all of those practical steps to make the transition smooth, but that didn't exist. So I created the place I wish I had. And as an attorney with nearly a decade of experience guiding clients through complex processes, I poured everything I've learned, my legal expertise, my personal stories, my experience with clients, my pitfalls that I've overcome, plus the lessons from hundreds of clients into creating a program designed to save you time, stress, and money. So, this program is called Legally Abroad, an attorney's blueprint for moving overseas. Inside Legally Abroad, you'll get vetted, accurate, up to date information backed by my reputation as an attorney, as well as step by step guidance tailored to your goals and the country you're considering relocation, as well as a plan B. There will be live interactive workshops where we build your personal relocation roadmap together so you're never left wondering what's next, what do I do now? I've even facilitate and built in a language courses for Spanish and Italian to help you adapt faster and feel at home. There's also bonus modules covering disability friendly countries, the best destinations for families who may have children or adults with special needs, and even relocation options if your income comes solely from Social Security and you want to be really mindful about stretching your dollar. So, this program isn't only for those planning to move abroad. If you're already living overseas and need clarity regarding your obligations as US citizens or green card holders, we have information for you as well. So, instead of duct taping advice from random corners of the internet, you'll have a trusted partner who's been there and can help you make the leap with confidence. Your dream of living abroad doesn't have to be daunting or stressful or even uncertain. With Legally Abroad, you'll have a clear roadmap, personalized path from idea to arrival.